We have multiplication of polynomials. In the first parenthesis we have trinomial, and in the second parenthesis we have binomial because we have two terms. How we do multiplication of polynomials? We have to multiply every expression in the first parenthesis by every expression in the second parenthesis. So first we have 2m times this whole expression in the second parenthesis, m minus n. Next we have positive 3n times whole expression in the parenthesis, m minus n. And we have negative 6 times m minus n. Now we have to use distributive law of multiplication. It means first we have to distribute 2m over each term in the binomial. Next 3n over each term in the binomial. And next negative 6 over each term in the binomial. So we have 2m times m. Next 2m times negative n, so positive times negative give me negative. When we don't have sign, it's always positive, so 2m times n plus, and now we have to distribute 3n, so 3n times m, positive times negative, so it will be negative 3n times n. And now we have negative 6 times this whole expression in parentheses, so negative times positive give me negative 6 times m, and negative times negative give me positive 6 times n. So this is equal, m times m is m squared, so 2 we have to copy, minus 2mn plus 3. First we have to write the number. Next we will write the rows in the alphabetic order. So first will be m, n, minus 3, number we copy, n times n is n squared, minus 6, m, 6, n. So this is equal. Now we can combine the like terms. We have negative 2mn and positive 3mn. We have numbers and the same variables, so we keep the sign. The larger number 3 is positive, so will be positive. And now we have to just subtract 3 minus 2 is 1, and we copy variable m and n. Next we don't have like terms, so we have to rewrite the rest. We have 2m squared plus 1mn minus 3n squared minus 6m 6n. So this is equal. When we multiply times 1 times mn, it will be mn, so we don't have to write this one. First we will rewrite 2m squared plus mn minus 3n squared minus 6m 6n. Of course we have plus here, plus 6n plus 6n, so it will be plus 6n. This is my solution.